And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here in the shop, as you can see. Hey, a little bit of light, because I want you to see. Okay, there's item one. That's item one that came today, FedEx, from Micromark. Okay. I need it for my coolant system for my saw and my mill and my lathe and my flat lap. Second item in the order, these. There we are. I'm going to zoom out. There we go. These I saw when I was looking for this item, the one I just showed you, and the next item. Come on, baby. Come on up. Now, don't be shy. Isn't it cute? Want to know what that is? That's a pair of scissors. Here's her big sister. Very nice. I saw those, and every once in a while I'm making an order. Either I've got more money to spend than I've ordered, and I'm looking for something to fill the order, or in a case like this, I see something that is too incredibly neat to not have, especially since I know the price is going to go up. I'll never see it that cheap again. I had to have them. There's too freaking incredibly neat to not have. Especially since I know the price is going to go up. And the strange things, about this kind of impulse is that that's the kind of thing I actually use. It may sit for a year or two, and then, boom, I got the perfect thing. Last item from Micromark today. I've had all these out in the box. You see, I didn't bring the box here. It's not a full out. Okay. Come on, baby. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. There we go. One diamond bandsaw blade from my bandsaw. That's a 25 thousandths of an inch kerf. There's some soft gemstones that my wife and I like, that when I get the rough, that's what I'm going to slab it with. Okay, now set these aside over here. So, that's the unboxing of my bandsaw blade and the titanium coated scissors and the coolant. I'm gonna, hey, 4 minutes. Wow. That's a good time.